Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alrighty, 60 days with the turbo on. Okay, I took the 30-inch tires off because the tracks are closed until further notice. I got some word there's supposed to be some kind of meeting at the end of this month. I figured since it's gonna be a while, I took my drag pack off and put the 35s back on. And man, I am impressed. The torque that this thing is putting out is impressive to me. I'm not saying it's got to be impressive to anybody else, because there's a lot of people out there with a lot more powerful stuff, but for what this truck is, pretty impressive to me. I'm pretty happy about it. This is something that I wanted. The sound, the power, the size. Wow, I am 60 days, really happy. It's a continuing project. Not done with it yet. No leaks. Check it out. Doesn't leak. That's a good thing. Only, you know, the regular condensation and whatnot and the cold starts. But before it warms up, nothing drips, leaks, nothing. Hot damn, hell yeah. Let's get some. All right, just a real quick daily driving video. 60 days. Driving that 15-20 minutes. No erratic, crazy temperatures, nothing crazy. The system's actually a little bit better since the last 30-day video, or the first one I did. This is the second 30-day video. We're at 60 days with my homemade turbo. Driving around. So driving back and forth to work 5 days a week. Just drives normal. Tons of power at part throttle, tons of power at full throttle. Yee and a hot damn. Sounds like a little whip.